you ever spent hours trying to create content for your social media and running out of ideas? What if I would tell you that you can create a month of your social media post only in 10 minutes using the help of AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you my exact system to create amazing posts that generate engagement, and the best part is that you don't even need to know how to design. You can take a look to the post now appearing on screen. I use this method to create all of them. And now I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. So in this tutorial, we'll cover how to use Kittl to create professional designs, the exact templates that you can use to get the most engagement, and the secret technique to batch content in minutes. Before we dive in the tools that we're going to be using for this video, first of all, we have to take a quick look of what makes a great social media post. And there is 3 key factors for this. First of all, an eye-catching visual. Then we also need consistency on our branding. And finally, valuable content. And there is 2 types of creators. The first ones take a lot of time on creating only one post at a time. And the other ones that work smarter by using the help of AI. And the main tool we're going to be using for this video is Kittl AI. So let me show you how to get started. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Kittl account. And in case you don't have one, you can click the link on my description and create yours completely for free. So once I'm in Kittl, the first thing that I'm going to do is just go to the section of New Project. And over here, I'm just going to go and select directly into Instagram post, or you can go to the section of social. And over here, you can see that we have different sizes for the different kind of posts that we can create. So it's not going to be the same size if you create a post for Instagram than if you create for Facebook or YouTube or for X. So over here, Kittl gives you all the sizing for your different social media post. So I'm just going to be creating one for Instagram, and we even get the different sizing that actually Instagram offers. So I think I'm just going to be making the square one, so 10 by 80 by 10 by 80. And I'm going to click over it, and I can click in create. Once we already have our design, the first thing that I like to do when I'm using Kittl to create my social media content, it's first of all, go to the section of templates. So you're allowed to use Kittl templates and then just customize it on your needs. So I think you can go to this section over here, and we're just going to click in social. Over here, you can already go and take a look of what you can use for your own social media post. So we can click in Instagram post, and I'm going to click in show all. And as you can see over here, you can go and search any kind of topic that you want for your social media post. So let's say I want a bakery. So we have bakery, and over here, bakery and coffee, bakery and cafe. So I'm just gonna make bakery and coffee. And then from here, we already get a lot of templates that you can use inside of Kittl. So as you can see, we have different kind of templates. We have over here ones that are with a crown. That means that we are only allowed to use it if we have a Kittl Pro or Expert account. And if you don't have one, you can use my promo code to get a 25% discount on your first month or even on your first year. Because I already have my Expert account, I can go and then just click over it. And there we have our post for Instagram. So over here we have the post square in case that we just choose like another kind of sizing like this one. So I can go and then just take the elements from this one, and then I'm just gonna bring it from here, and then I can go and keep customizing this part without losing the measurements that I wanted for my first design. So you could do that, but because it's the same measurement from the template that I got, I don't really need it. So I can just go and then delete this, and then we just stay with this one over here. The game changer on this is that Kittl already integrate AI on our designs. So we have Kittl Copilot, which will help us to change details of the post that we don't really like. So we can go and generate our text. So I can go and say formal or casual. We have some options over here. I think I'm just gonna keep it on formal, and I think I'm gonna go just describes what you want that the Copilot writes for you. So for my post over here, I just need like an inspirational phrase. So I'm gonna make coffee inspirational phrase. I'm just gonna keep it casual, I would say, maybe inspiring. And then we can click in generate text. And as you can see, it already generates some ideas that we can add into our own post. So I can go and replace with this one, and it already replaced my text in only one click. And as you can see, it keeps the same font, it keeps the same structure of the post, but with the text that I already changed. So that's one of the changes that you can do with Copilot, but we can go and make even more. We can go and we can click in Restyle. This is a very fun tool that it's integrated on Copilot, which you can go and try it out with your own social media post. So I think I'm gonna go and then just add, let's say cute. And as you can see, it's gonna go and ask you the style strength. So for me, I think I'm just gonna make it low, since I don't wanna change that much my post. I just wanna make it a bit more cute. So I'm gonna click in generate. And as you can see on this section, we get another type of text that we could integrate in our post with the help of AI. So we don't really need to go and try all the fonts. We can just go and then tell Kittl Copilot what we want, and then it will give us some options. I think I really like the font as it is, so I don't really want to change that. And using again my Copilot, another thing that I could do is just go and change the colors of this post. So I can go and then click in change color, and then over here we're just gonna go and add to brown, and we can go and then just choose something like, say like this. And there we go, it already did it. And this is only the Kittl Copilot for our text. We can also use this one for our images if we want to. So as you can see, I'm just gonna go and select the element that I want to change, and then from there, I'm gonna be using my Copilot. So over here we have Restyle, Replace Image, Erase and Fill. Over here we also get some other options that we could use, or we could even go and generate our own images, which is amazing because we can click in generate with AI and we can get a customized image for our post on Instagram. So I think I'm gonna click in generate image with AI, and as you can see, it appears over here. So what I have to do is just go and describe the kind of image that I want. So I'm just gonna add it over here, a cup of coffee. Over here, I will always keep it on private since I don't want my images to go public. And what I really like about Kittl is that you can even go and upload your own style of image that you want. So let's say that I want a specific image style. I can go and then just click over here and upload it. Otherwise, you can go and select any kind of image style that you want that Kittl already have. So we can click in show all. And as you can see, we have all of these options as well for our image generation. So I think I'm going to be using the retro, since I think this is a little bit of retro elegant post. So I'm just going to be using that. And there we go. We can click in generate image. So as you can see, we already got this image, which is very like 2015 vibes. I really like it. I don't think it's very retro, but I think it works. But I don't know, I think we could get something better, so I'm just gonna go and generate again. It's gonna cost me an extra credit, and you have to be aware that to use Kittl AI, you will have to get some credits. And for these credits, you already have 20 AI credits if it's your first time signing up on Kittl. But in case you want to get more credits for your AI creations, you will have to upgrade to a pro or an expert account. You can go and then just take advantage of the promo code that I have on the link on my description. So over here, I think this is more cute. I think I would definitely use this image. And as you can see, you also have more options under this style. I think this also looks very cute. I think I'm just gonna go for this one. So we can go click over it, and we already add it into our post. Over here, what I would like to do is just go and use the image of the coffee only. So what I'm gonna do is just click in remove background over here. And we should be able to get our image here. And it looks much better. I think it stands out a lot more. What you really need to have in mind when doing this Instagram post is your branding. So if you want to keep your branding, a really great tool that I recommend is using your branding kits inside of Kittl. So as you can see, you can go and add your text styles, your color styles, your shadow styles, your text and shading styles, and all of this section is for you to go and just customize your brand style, and then you don't have to go and change every time the font. Once we add this kit, we can do it right away. But in case you don't have your brand kit, another great tool that you can use is the color palettes over here. So you can always use one of these and in this way you will be able to always keep the same color palette. So I'm gonna be using this brown one. I think it looks nice. So I'm just gonna select all of it, and then from here I'm gonna click in color palette, and as you can see now it's gonna change all my posts. So if we keep it in this brown, I think it's nice. Oh, I think this stands out nice. We can take a look of how all the combination of colors work on our own post. Yeah, I think this one it's great. So I'm just gonna go select that one and then just adjust the last details of my post. And there we go. We already have our post with the help of AI. So now we have finished our post with the help of AI. So AI didn't make all the work. We still have to adjust some little details. But if you want your post to be completely made by AI, we have this other option. So you're just gonna go to the section of Kittl AI over here. And in this section, we're just gonna click in Design Generator. Over here, I'm just gonna click in this section of social media post. I'm just gonna select for a coffee, and over here we just gotta go and choose our color. So for mine, I will keep it on purple and pink and blue. No, I don't know, maybe just purple and blue to see what we get. And over here we can go and change the style, so I can go and make exactly the same. I think I'm just gonna make it vintage. So once we have everything set up, before we click it in generate, I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna duplicate this, and over here I'm just gonna delete all of our creation so we can add our new creation over here. And now we can click in generate, and over here we got it. So we have now 4 different posts that we can use for our social media, completely made by AI. I didn't have to change anything of this, and you can go and then just click on them to add it into our design. But as you can see, it's gonna add it like this. So you can go at this one, and then we add the other one, and then we have the 2 of them. And as you can see, the 2 of them are actually very cute. I don't really like these 2, but these 2 I think that are very good designs to be made completely by AI. I think I could make, like a combination of these 2. So what I'm gonna do, okay, so I just delete that part that I don't need. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is just move the sections that I'm gonna use to the other part. So over here to here. Then I also need to change the colors of this one. So I'm gonna make them in black, and then the other one's also in black, so everything stands out. And what I really like about this one is this one, so I'm just gonna steal it from here. There we go. We already make a good combination of 2 posts that I got made by AI. And what I really like about Kittl is that we do get a post made by AI, but it's not an image that we cannot adjust later on, because like these situations happen. I really like it, 2 different things from 2 different posts that I get that the AI made for me, but I can go and mix them together. So I really enjoy that Kittl gives you this chance to still customize your post to get something even better. Then just change the color of this. And there we already have our 2 different posts made completely by AI. And as you can see, with this method, you can actually speed up the creation of your social media post. It's not that you make everything with AI, but it's that we get advantage of using the AI for our content creation. Now you know how to create posts using the help of AI. And if you also want to know how to schedule them for amazing engagement, you can go and click on my video on how to create a content calendar. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Have a great day.